Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your iPad is updated and Safari is enabled in settings so syncing works. Open Safari and tap the tab button in the top right to reveal all open windows. This gives you immediate access to tabs that are still active. Once done, scan for a recently closed section or an iCloud tabs icon. These are the fastest ways to recover tabs without digging into backups. If you see what you need, restore it right away. Next, dive deeper. Tap the book icon and open History to find recently visited pages. Reopening from History restores content quickly. Make sure Safari is toggled on under Settings your Apple ID iCloud so tabs sync across devices. This matters because missing tabs often live on another signed-in device. Then return to the Tab Manager and scroll to see iCloud tabs from your iPhone or Mac. If found, open them. This pulls the live page back into your iPad's Safari session. Finally, if tabs are still missing, try force-quitting Safari and restarting your iPad to refresh the session. Sometimes the UI simply failed to update. If that fails, sign in at iCloud. Or check another device signed into the same Apple ID to manually reopen tabs. As a last resort, restore an iCloud backup made before the loss. Be cautious, because restoring replaces current data. If you can't recover tabs, contact Apple support. They can guide you through safe backup checks and sync diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.